Hey, Steve. And I picked this up back in December, and this is going to be the first time I got to shoot it. So this is the Rock Island Alta A1, something like that, tack. It's just like the 10mm I have, only it's a 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. I did change out the G10 grips. It comes with G10s, but I wanted the blue because I just like the blue. So I got this cheap 180 grain ball ammo for the 40. I got a little 7x8 steel target, just kind of leaning up against a bush over here. So I really love my 10mm, and I think I'm going to love this one too. Except I can't hit nothing. That was me. That first shot was just me. I flinched. So I'm going to put a couple more rounds through it, and we'll come back. Got to set the target up too. Okay, so apparently I forgot to turn the other camera on, so not a big deal. First round I just missed, completely shot over. I got it with the other 7. Now I actually set it back farther this time, the next bush back. I only put 7 rounds in. So let's see if I can hit that little target farther out, or if I'm going to flinch again and screw up. Like that. Ooh, I broke it. Empty. So yeah, the misses were just me. My hands are ice cold. I should get some gloves on. It's not bad. It's like 50 degrees out, but that wind is just coming out of the north, and it's colder than shit. I even had to put my jacket on. But yeah, I shot really good at it. So far, 15 rounds, no jams. I don't expect it to jam. So we'll come back to it with some of the other stuff. All right, thanks. Okay, so I got this 5 rounds. Now this is my old EAA Witness, made by Tenfolio, something like that. This has been in the family since 2001. Bought it off my brother back in 2015. I don't shoot it much nowadays, but we're going to try the 5 rounds at the steel target, and we're probably off about 20-25 yards. Well, I got the dirt. As you can see, it kind of got knocked over, but that's okay. We're just out here plinking today. Okay, you see him put some gloves on. I'm starting to get cold. The temperature is actually dropping. My thermometer is reading like at 48 degrees now, and the wind is more steady. So anyway, this is the Girsan MC28 SAT. This one that had the red dot on it. I took it off and put the regular sights on it. I wanted to try it with the regular sights. Just try something different. I only got like 11 rounds in it, so let's see how I do with it. Seems to be hitting high, but I'm not positive. Yeah, I'm aiming at the bottom. Or maybe I'm just flinching. It has a kind of a heavy trigger pull. That was it. That was the 11. Notice the 9mm ball, which is only 115 grain, isn't knocking the plate around as bad as the 40s. And just because I'm going to double check. So it says 20.8 yards. So I'm gonna try my K12 because I like that gun. Try it from here at 20 yards. Okay, so I got the Sarsilmaz K12. Same thing. I got some cheap Magtech ammo, some 115 grain ball. So I'm just gonna run it. I got like 10 rounds in it, and a snap cat that I forgot I had in there. So I'm going to see if I can hit a little bit better with this one. Apparently not. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm hitting higher left or to the right. I think I'm hitting to the right. Not sure. There we go. Not very good. That's it. Yeah, target's kind of fallen over. I should actually have it out, get the other steel targets out, put them on the stands, paint it white so I can see where they're actually impacting. It's hard to tell where it's hitting in the dust. Can't tell if it's right, left, high. So, yeah, that's what it is. All right, thanks for watching.